Hello everybody, my name's DP3 Gaming. I'm gonna be playing this game called Turbo Dismount. I actually seen lots of YouTubers play this, and I actually played this like early in the morning a bit, and this is my high score. I think it's 1,000,000 or something, I don't know. But I actually customized it already, and tried almost all of it, but not. Also, let's actually get through like 3 episodes out of all these thingies. Okay, so right now we're gonna be doing this. See my background right here, extra gaming, and then I just downloaded a random skin out of the face right there. So the point of this game is like I probably think that like you gotta kill yourself or something. Let's change a car right now. I actually passed this one. Let's try Sasquatch. Okay. Let's do some sexy poses. Sexy pose. Okay. This is fast. Oh, it went to space. Did you just see that? It went to space. Oh. 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 Did you just see that? Okay, let's do the replay. That one's going off to space. And this guy's just gonna like, I'm gonna die. Oh, I'd be actually laughing if that thing right here just landed on right here, like that truck landed on that little tiny person. Okay. Okay, up to the next level. We're going next to the chicken. Well, this is called a chicken, so let's change this. Token bird. Okay. Do some. Okay, this is the weirdest pose I'd actually do. But we're gonna do awesome poses in the first round. We're gonna do some awesome poses. We're gonna lie. Oh crap, we're dead. Ah! Oh. Ooh. Ooh, let's reset that. I want to actually try to make this thing. Oop, pretty good. This is bad. Surprise! Oh! Oh, I'm still on it. Oh, wait, never mind. I'm dead. Whoa, is that a crack right there? Oh, it's a floating crack. Oh well. Okay, up to the next round. Aiming high. Okay, we're gonna change the pose now. Well, since it's gonna be aiming high, let's start to do a motorcycle. I'll never try this one. Yeah! This one's awesome. Oh, yes! I made it! What? What? What just happened? What? Dismount complete. Yeah, I passed it. Okay, up next to the next round. Chicken twist. Okay, we're gonna need to become a chicken for this. Okay, we're gonna do... I wanna see what other poses there are. Okay. Okay, let's do this. No! Destroyed my chicken. How dare you? Okay, let's do this nice and easy. Oh, drift that, drift that. Oh! Oh wait, I think there's a change steering. Yeah. Yeah. Nailed that. Oh my god. Dude. That was... I just did a front flip or a back flip. What was that? I don't know. Back flip. Nailed that! Lol. Okay, what's the last one? Space program. This game is so fun. Okay, since we're gonna do space. Oh wait, I already added those. Okay, let's add the Sasquatch again. Yeah, look at that. The creeper's looking where that is. Creeper looking what X-ray gaming is, and the creeper next to it is just like random. And that is that awesome Minecraftian person is me. Come on. Yes. Yes. No. No. Come on. Oh. Oh. Good thing I'm still in here. Okay, let's reset this thing. I actually want to pass this one. What if I do this? Oh, really fast. That just sounds so weird. Oh, will I make it? Oh, wait, never mind. Oh, it's still going. Oh. What? What? What the heck? It can't get up. What? How was it complete? I don't get it. How was that complete? Honestly. No, I think it just combined all the steps. Mr. and Mrs. Oh my god. Okay, let's try the wedge. Yes, perfect. I'm gonna survive. I could go to space. Oh yeah, I already did. Cause I earned the achievement already. Yeah! I'm in space. Space! Oh my god, this thing's amazing. Anti-gravity. Oh! Oh! My leg! What else did explode? His head exploded! Where's his head? Where'd his head go? Let's replay this. Okay, I want to see the part where we're up in the air. Oh, look at that. Like, it's like, what's up, everybody? Look at that. He's like happy. Let's see how we hit the ground. Okay. Since he doesn't have anything in his hand, let's see where his head gone to. Oh my god, his head just smashed inside of the car. His head is inside the car. Look at that right there. And then right over here is his hand. That just splacked right there. Okay, and that's where his hand lasted. And here's where his finger lasted. Or his neck, actually. Yeah. Wow. What's next? Okay. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video of... What's it called? Oh, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of Turbo Dismount. This game is really fun. I actually recommend you guys actually getting this. This is only $10 at Steam, or you could, I don't really know where else you could buy it, but it's all I know out of Steam. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like if you liked it, and comment how this video was. Yeah, this is all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.